been terribly a rough day for most 10th grade students from different schools just to submit their senior high school requirements since today is the last day in some selected universities. It's been a tiring process of photocopying their grades and answering tons of application forms. As we all know, our country just opened its door to the K-12 program since 2012, and DepEd, or Department of Education, is working really hard just to aim its goal of adding 2 more years in high school. Although it did draw some major attention to some universities prior to the fact that no college freshmen might apply for the next 2 years, so they decided to open senior high school into their system. One of these universities is University of Santo Tomas, where Chris A is about to give more updates. Chris?
Yes, Elijah, we are right here outside the Yankee building, or the Office of Admission of UST. As you can see, more and more students are coming down, and even some parents to pass their UST application form. Even though today is the last day of admission, the place doesn't seem that much crowded, not even a single person complaining about the service. We even asked one applicant, and they told us there was a ticket printing machine that prints their number as they called in order. They even told us that it was kind of long to wait, but not too long. Their process of application is going so well. Back to you, Elijah.
Wow, I did not see that coming. Thank goodness technology is a savior. Now processing applications won't take much time. Thanks, Chris.